Hi YouTube, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rebecca. I'm a homeschooling mom to 5, ages 3 to 16. I'm also an online boutique owner and a DIYer. In this channel, you'll find loads of information on homeschooling, DIY projects, and anything else that my mind kind of comes to. So in this video, I will show you all of the independent subjects that my 6th grader is doing this year. We have some independent courses that we do independently, and then of course we have our family subjects. To start off, we have language arts. This year I decided to go with The Good and the Beautiful for language arts, and when I did the test, the pre-test that you can do, my daughter ranked lower, which is normal from what I understand, because The Good and the Beautiful is quite the complex curriculum. So she is doing level 4 from The Good and the Beautiful. Now I printed this myself on my laser printer at home, and I'm not sure if this is the entire book. I don't remember if this is the entire book, if there's still another portion that I have to print. I am, however, going to purchase the Creative Companion and the books separately because I don't want to have to print those. So, language arts, The Good and the Beautiful. To go with that, her spelling is not the greatest. She struggles with spelling. And I've heard great reviews on Spelling You See. So I understand that The Good and the Beautiful does have spelling included in it, but just for extra reinforcement, I wanted to do Spelling You See. And we are doing the Americana book. We are in Canada, and this is all about American history, so I kind of thought that it would be interesting for her to gain an understanding of the American history as well. We are also going to do, again, vocabulary is included in The Good and the Beautiful, but just for some extra kind of reinforcement, she is going to do Wordly Wise for vocabulary. And this is book 6. And for penmanship, we are doing handwriting from The Good and the Beautiful. This is level 5. One of the things that I dislike about the Canadian school system is they don't teach cursive anymore in school. When I was in elementary school, they taught it in grade 3, I think, but they don't now, and it's quite a shame actually, because you can't really, I don't know, you can't, if there's any kind of historical documents that you want to read, it's probably in cursive and you can't. My 16-year-old, he doesn't even have a signature. Because he was never formally taught cursive. So it's a dying art as far as I'm concerned. But anyway, so also I'm going to get her to do these short little reading comprehension exercises on a daily basis or weekly basis, just to kind of reinforce reading comprehension. And this is by Evan Moore, and this is the grade 6 one. And finally, in the whole realm of language arts, we are going to do typing. She's going to do typing 1, and this is also from, The Good and the Beautiful. And last but not least, she is going to do the maturation unit from The Good and the Beautiful. And finally, for math. Now, math, she loves math, but there were some concepts that she struggled with a lot. So this year we have decided to kind of take a step back and get her caught up on all the basic concepts. So we are going to go with Matthew C. Gamma, and she's not going to end up doing the whole book because this is multiplication. This is single and multiple digit multiplication, and she knows a lot of her single digits, but she struggles with the multiple digits. So I don't suspect this will take her all year. So we will also follow up with delta, and this is the single and multiple digit division. And same thing, she does know some division, but she struggles with the multiple digit division. And if she gets through both of these, then we'll move on to the next one, which I believe is zeta, but I just don't have it yet. So I'm hoping that this year we can get her completely caught up with the basic fundamentals and the basic concepts. So that is it with her independent. That is it with her independent courses. We are doing some family subjects, group subjects, and that's our family devotion. That is science, history, and potentially Canadian studies. I'm not entirely sure yet if I will have it all put together in time for this year. So we might have to hold off for next year for the Canadian studies, but at least Bible, science, and history we will be doing together as a group, and that will be in a different video. Also, if you're interested in seeing what our second grader and kindergartner is doing this year for their independent courses subjects, then I will also link the 2 videos previously for those down below as well. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button and the bell, and please don't be afraid to comment. I would like to see your comments. So bye for now.